Hello everyone and welcome back in Hotel Management Lecture videos. This is Girish Nandani, Associate Professor at BBDU, and you are watching first lecture of Event Management. 7th semester subject code is BHM2705A. So let me tell what we have to read in first topic of first unit. The topic is event, the concept. Good afternoon. Now we are going to start the unit 1 event management introduction. The first topic of this unit is event, the concept. Before starting this topic, we have to know what is event. Event is entertainment, venue, equipment, news, team and strategy. Event is basically entertainment where we go for fun, games, information. For venue, we require a particular place where we organize the event successfully. Then equipments, technical and non-technical equipment used to run the show successfully. Either it is a commercial event, either it is a sports events. News, where we news about the movies, activities and offer. Team is the people involved of organizing that particular event. And strategy, various strategies used for financial, marketing, technical and human resource strategy required to organize an event. Events are happening often used to suggest that what happened was on unusual scale memories. As we know that every person know his events, remembering his events, which where he participated, where he goes. It may be your anniversary, it may be marriage. So the memories are involved in this. So most of us participate in event, but managing the events are difficult task to achieve its objective. There are number of events. There are regional events and religious events, cultural event, social events. Events management involves planning, organizing, and execution of live events, which could include a brand product launch, an exhibition, a concert, it may be concert of music, it may be outdoors, even a conference or workshop. It is basically an extended form of advertisement, though more interactive. Organizing events has come to stay as an integral part of PR responsibility, personal responsibility for obvious benefits to the business organization. Needless to say, that event is not a mere show business but an objective based activities in which the company's organization invests sizable amount of money for obvious benefits and returns. Like nowadays, IPL is organizing at UAE. It is a sports event. Lot of money, sponsors, spectators are involved in this. Therefore, before an event is put up, it is important to determine the objective of such an event so that the event pays back in terms of good return on investment. Particularly in the market area, the measurement of the effectiveness of such events would become immediately possible in terms of the sales an event was able to generate. Therefore, the objective of an event must be spelled out right before starting the groundwork. Events can include the following. Broadly, how we are say that this is an event, an observable occurrence, phenomena or extraordinary occurrence or a type of gathering where more peoples like more than 10 peoples are gathering. It may be kitty party, it may be your marriage anniversary, a ceremony, marriages, anniversaries, a competition, sports events, a convention meeting also known as conferences, workshops, symposium, a festival, musical events, or concert like Kumbh is a festival, um, Holi Milan Samaroh is a festival, a happening that attract coverage of mass media, happening like Kumbh Mahotsav. A party include internal business function or staff. Sporting events, as we say, IPL is sporting events, Olympics is sporting event, Commonwealth Games is sporting events, a corporate or business functions, launching of new products. A profit-driven events means to raise awareness of a company, brand, and or product and services. Scope of events. Today there are a number of companies hosting and organizing events on a regular basis. These range from the small time private events to the large scale international events. A good number of young people are entering in this field because they realize the potential of the market and the demand and supply situation. In fact, the most profitable aspect of this field is the need for creativity, and that is how and where one earns. The management of events calls largely for coordination. For stage 1, the first thing required is to get the order for the event. This process is also known as pledging of an event. Usually, it is the small time events, birthday parties, weddings, or then for large ones assignment by companies, exhibition, trade shows, or international concert. The event managers or companies is asked to submit a project report with the finance involved. On the basis of this, the assignment is given to them. Now we talk about the definition of the events. Event management is an application of project management to the creation, deployment, development and execution of event. It is the planning and management of an event or activity. It involves studying the intricacies of the brand, identifying the target audience, devising the event concept, planning the logistic and coordinating the technical aspect before actually executing the modalities of the proposed event. Event management requires strong organizational communication, negotiation, budgeting, and creative skills. Business events is the practice of incorporating business logic into the labeling events, communicating events, and managing events. It requires a profound interaction and cooperation among business stakeholders, customers, as well IT and management professionals when designing, implementing, and maintaining the process. What are the major objectives of event? Why we organize the events? It is company policies to hold open houses, conduct tours, participate in special events that give us opportunity to show our goodwill towards the community as well as gain new friends and customers. Through events we interact with different types of people. Suppose we are going to participate in a conference, we participate and we get interaction with other people. They are coming other parts of the country of the same trade. Such public relation gives our neighbors a chance to meet us and see how we live. Properly conducted, they offer visible proof that we keep our house in order, that we spend our funds wisely, and that was a desirable neighbor, a good citizen, and a steady, considerate employer. As such, in planning a special event, a comprehensive statement of objective is essential in determining the theme, emphasis, scope, and programs. The objectives should consider the particular interest, background, and knowledge of the persons to be invited. Some of the objectives of a special event in community programs are to maintain or enhance community approval, correct possible micro competition about the sponsor organization presents the company as a good employer, and inform the community of the volume and value of the company local purchase. This definition is given by Kalupa and H. Fraser Moore 2005. There can be a wide variety of objectives for organizing events. Various companies, organizations organize events depending on their size, nature of business, may differ objective behind holding such events. Among the several reasons, some of the objectives generally are generate market excitement, win public support for a public company, generate publicity media, hype, enhance polish or correct corporate image, launch a new product, alter customers to sales, clearance, provide after sales service reinforcement, win customer and their confidence. More public opinions, take credit for good performance, celebrate company milestones like silver jubilees, fundraising, hire persons, celebrate mergers and acquisitions, and win elections. Every event must have a clearly stated overall aim. Otherwise, the event should not happen. Events demand a lot of concentrated efforts and commitment. This commitment can only come out of a genuine belief among all participants that the aims are worthwhile and that they will be beneficial in long term, as well as an overall purpose. Any specific event must have its own set of objectives. These must be clear and be sent down in a way which they allow to judge the success of the event after completion. Objective should be always be in the event it is SMART. SMART is specific, measurable, agreed, realistic, time. What is specific? Specific of the particular event and particular aspects of it. Measurable, express the objective in number and quantities. Agreed, make sure all team members know the objectives. Realistic, set objectives the organizing team can realistically achieve. Time, set a time scale for achievement of the objectives. So we completed the objectives should be on a SMART form. Now we move on. The another very important is 5 C's of events. They are conceptualization, number 1. What is conceptualization? The first C of the event is conceptualization. Involved in event management. We make a concept. Suppose we are going to organize a marriage anniversary. We have to think of marriage. We think of what type of marriage. It is marriage of Hindu, Muslim, Christian. Accordingly, we have make the concept. So the event manager understand from the client that the specific reason for which an event is being planned. This enable that this enable the form the client the specific reason for which an event is being planned, and team to come up with a suitable theme or concept around which the event is to be centered. The theme should be conceptualized keeping in mind the event objectives, target audience, the tentative venue, media to be used, etc. Now we move on. The second C's of event is costing. Money is very important. Costing involves the preparation of budget, cost estimates, and the source of acquiring fund. For any event, the organizer is a give the event the cost of that event. Otherwise, if it is uh, otherwise it is a ticketing basis, then who was going to participate, they give the money. Creating a provision for risk coverage and managing uncertainties is also done. Third is canvassing. canvassing Canvassing activities involve networking and advertising to generate the required mileage for the success of the event, with the ultimate objective of raising funds and obtaining sponsorship for the conducting of the event. Customizing. What is customizing? Customizing of event focuses on client satisfaction, reinforcement, client requirement towards objective fulfillment, and ensuring that it has a blend of creativity and suitability to match changing trends and tastes of clients. Involves a customized approach tailor made especially for event to be successfully engaging the large audience and satisfying the client requirement. Customizing, we have to make our customers, customizing them. Why they will come? They will come to for a particular specific purpose. This purpose can be achieved through customizing when we focus on the customers. Now we move on the fifth part of the event C's, which is carrying out culmination and control. The phase involved the actual execution of plans. Now we have to do the actual plans. It include all those of set of activities and operations that leads to event executions and fulfillment of the event objective. In practice, each of these may be not adhere to the sequence in which they have been presented above. There is a complex interaction between various types of C's before we carry out the stage, depending on client requirement. So the budget constraint is very important. So we have to undergo the modification and revision of the basis of events. Now we move on. The another part of the event management is advantage. Why we organize events? Advantages. Number one advantage, raise awareness. Through events, we raise awareness. Raise awareness, exhibiting at industry events is a good way to raise your profiles and generate brand awareness. Like we, as a national, we organize 26th January as Republic Day. Why? Why we raise awareness in all over the world that we are a big country, we are a big economy, we have a large, very large army, we have all things. So we demonstrate all these activities through this parade. So there is a need to raise awareness. As a company, we have to take care of these things, that we have to deploy our information, our achievements to the other peoples. So we organize press releases, we organize press events. These are also the events. As well as taking a stand at an event, there are usually other advertisement and sponsorship opportunities. So there are number of ways through we advertise our event. Before starting any event, we advertise, and at the time of that event, we release the press release to the people, to the media, that we are organizing an event about our company, about our work. Now we move on, meet in person. Through events, we are going to meet person like doctors meet. Doctor meet. What is doctor means? Where the we doctors get a platform to meet each other, share their values, share their experience about treatment. No? So they are face to face our potential customers. Suppose we have organized the our shareholder meets. So the board of directors, chairman of the company will interact with the shareholders. To building relations, people come. Now at the time of this pandemic, COVID-19, people interact with Zoom, Google Meet. So these are the interaction. We organize events on Google Meets. So there is a need to, these are the advantages. Another one very important is networking. Networking, what is networking? Networking is connection. Connecting people, connecting India, connecting our same trade people. So trade shows are a great way to meet potential new customers, suppliers and to learn more about your competitors. Next is very important advantage, launch new products. Suppose we are a company, we have to launch new products. So trade shows, exhibitions are a good place where we interact with different types of manufacturers, we interact with different types of customer from all parts of country or world. So introduce a new product. Take examples of trade shows which we organize in different parts of the country, mobile shows where all types of companies will come on one platform and the buyers and the media people get attention that they are showing their products. So being able to explain your offering in person and answer questions is ideal for your product as innovative. New ideas will come through these trade shows. We interact with different types of people of same trade. Build your database. Meeting with potential customers at an exhibition help you to start building your marketing list and generate qualified sales leads. And what are the basically disadvantages of events? Disadvantage of the events are cost. Very important, money. Cost includes stand space, stand design and build travel and accommodation for staff. Competition, very important is competition. This is the main advantage. Due to competition, it is likely for competition will also be exhibiting at the event. You need to stand out and get the attention of the potential customer. Results are not guaranteed. If you are organizing an event, if you are participating in an event, the company will not always benefit. And despite the investment in exhibition, participate in trade shows, you are not guaranteed any sales leads. It is not guaranteed. Potential low turnouts. Without big names, speakers, or the right publicity, trade shows may not enough delegates to make your presence worthwhile. Do your research before choosing an exhibition at a particular event.